Hello everybody, it's Michelle and I've got another product review for you guys from Beebeecraft. I have really been enjoying products from this company, and the one I'm going to be showing you guys today is the Polymer clay tool set. I have so been wanting to get into working with polymer clay. I've done a couple of things and it was really a lot of fun, and I would love to get more into that, so you guys be on the lookout for some videos using these products, because I can't wait to get started with more on polymer clay. And in this set they give you directions for use. However, I'm not able to read it. There are no English instructions, but these tools are pretty much self-explanatory, and it is so complete, this set. I really love all of the things in here. Every different size and shape of tool you could imagine to work with polymer clay. And the first little set of tools here is some little plastic tools. And there is just a sharp pointed one. And there is a fan shape, maybe for making ridges into the clay, and sort of a palette knife kind of shape there. Some curved ones. That one is, I don't know if you can see on screen, but that tapered point is kind of a four-sided square point, so that would be good for making particular shapes. And I'll just kind of show you guys all of the different shapes, and in some future videos we may get more into what all these tools will do. I don't exactly know yet myself. I can't wait to play around with these tools. I don't know if you guys can see that one, but that is ridged all the way around. And then like a dotting tool sort of tip that kind of goes off to the side. And here is one with an angled tip that you could really just get at whatever project you're making from any angle and do whatever you wanted to manipulate that clay. There is another sort of square shaped, and that one is ridged again. And that one is sort of a scooping. I wish my camera would focus. That one kind of scoops, curved moon shapes out. And here is one that's flat on this side, and it's ridged on that side. So many different possibilities just in that first little set alone. And in this bag we have several more sets of tools. And this one is kind of larger palette knife kind of tools. And these are a very hard plastic. So many different shapes and things that you could do with those. I like that one with the ridged tip that you could make grooves into your polymer clay. And that one is a 7-piece set. And all of these products came in the same set. This is all one complete set here, you guys. And I will leave you a link to this product in the description below, as well as a link to Beebeecraft's website, so that you can check out all of the other options that they have. They have so many things. Any sort of kind of crafting that you could imagine. They've got lots and lots of things. And then here is a really nice set of wooden handled dotting tools. And these can be used for polymer clay as well as painting or so many other crafts. And they're wooden handled with the metal dot tips. And they are double-ended. So many different sizes there. And here is some larger dotting tools. Really any size that you want. These are nice metal dotting tools. Again, larger sizes than what we had in the wooden handled, all the way up to this one here. That is very large. That one is probably about 3/4 of an inch. So very large dotting tools there. You could work your edges of your polymer clay, making ruffledy sort of lettuce edgings and whatever else you wanted to do with those. And then another plastic set. And we've got a couple of the large ball tools like that. One with the crescent shaped scooping end, and one that is sort of a tapered, flat, sort of like a spear shape. I can't imagine a tool that you would need for polymer clay that's not in this set. Here we have another 5-piece set. I think these are really nice. They're wooden handled, and the tips are like rubber tips. They're flexible, and you can really use that to smooth the clay. That would come in handy for so much. We've got a wide chisel tip here, a tapered chisel tip, a flat angled tip, a pointed tip, and sort of a curved, almost like a chisel tip, all with that rubber tipped edge that you can smooth the clay with. And we even have a set of some little findings so that you can make little charms and keychains and things like that. We've got a couple of key rings in there already on a short piece of chain. And these look like little strap sort of attachments with lobster clasps already attached to the other end. I'm going to get these out and show you guys so you can see more about it. There's 3 key rings in there with a chain on each one, and the chain is about 1.5 inches long. So that would make a nice little chain for your charms or whatever you want to create with your polymer clay to hang from your keyring. And then these have the little strap with a jump ring and lobster clasp attached at the end. Several of those in that pack. We've got a little set here of plastic screws and washers. And we have a set of eye pins. This is probably what I would use. I like to create things in sort of the bead charm kind of manner, and I would love to do that with some charms that I create with polymer clay. That would be a lot of fun. And a little pack of jingle bells. And besides all that, we've got just about every color imaginable of polymer clay. You've got soft neutrals, bright colors, pastel colors. You've got a few of just the plain white. I think that one is actually sort of a light flesh tone. So many colors. I love that mint green. And that's a nice soft pink. And there are so many colors in here. You've just about got everything that you need already. And you can also mix these colors together to create new colors of your own. But like I said, there's so many already. Everything that you could possibly need to work with polymer clay, and I cannot wait to get started on some polymer clay projects. Hopefully when we start into the new year, I can start into learning a new craft and try out some of the polymer clay. So check back for that. In the meantime, go on over to beebeecraft.com and check out this set as well as everything else that they have to offer. They have so many different crafting things in all different areas of crafting, and I think you'll enjoy their website, so be sure to go over and check it out. I'll have their link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already done that. Give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll have those links in the description also, so be sure you check those out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.